This right here is what I believe to be the issue as to why our 2J is no longer working at the moment. This would be our VVTi solenoid, a brand new one. So if we plug this in, I think it'll work again.
Let me see if that thing...
Potentially.
Oh, don't kid yourself. You're playing part starts.
Hard starts, no.
Yeah.
No, the old one was rusted.
The reason why we believe the solenoid is the reason is because when we did our data logs, we noticed that our VVTi gear was stuck in an overly advanced state. Now that could be only a couple reasons why, but the most commonly popular reason as to why, because the solenoid goes out, which is that part that we now have. So although all these boys are hating, not believing, I believe this will be the issue. So we're gonna throw this down, plug this in, and fire her up.
Not if I'm yelling, baby! Tonight, we ride! Tonight we're riding, Tej. I heard we were riding. We're bringing our cars and stuff, Tej. What's happening? Oh, actually, that's not important. We'll tell you about that later. What are we doing right now, Tej?
You put it all back together.
Yeah. Well, I didn't want to lose the pieces. I'm prone to losing things.
What a noob! And we gotta wait for this guy.
Come on, man. There's only like 6 of those.
There's 12. No, I think there's 10.
We gotta ride tonight. We're riding tonight. Debauchery.
Debauchery.
Debauchery. Like girls, girls?
You mean like girls, right?
I guess you're gonna miss the panty raid.
Panty raid? You're talking about girls, right? Girls?
Yeah.
TJ says 80%.
Yeah, I think there's an 80% chance that this will fix everything. Now that I'm thinking about that, that sounds like a really high percentage. So
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm gonna take that back, but I'm gonna go with it, 80%.
80%, you heard it here first. Ooh, just get her in there, Tej. I'm excited. I'm excited for failure, and I'm excited for it to fix.
Dude, we need a
I'm
new
a
socket
believer.
set. Show them this shit. So these sockets, this is why they suck. Cobalt, I love everything else you've made, but this actually kind of sucks. They made like the numbers, like labeled on the sockets, like the same color as the silver. So we always have to spend like fucking 30 seconds trying to find the right angle to catch the glimpse to find the
Should
10.
we just write it on there with the Sharpie?
I've tried writing it in Sharpie and it rubs off. It doesn't stay. I've already tried that, Cal.
Yuck. Electrolysis. I'm gonna let TJ insert his new $150 part. Ow. Oh! You can't be swinging that elbow around. Can't throw on bows out here, Tej. Can't be doing that. This is expensive, Tej. Take it.
All right.
Take it from me. Take it.
I want to show them this.
Okay.
You can't really see it, but this, the old one's kind of all mucked up. This
Oh,
new
that's
one
perfect.
should be better.
Yeah.
So, good luck, have fun. Here we go.
80% right there.
Everything should be fixed.
80%. That's it.
All right, are we ready? This is a big deal.
It's a big deal, Tej. It's a big deal.
Why are you trying to start it? Is this the new one?
Yeah.
Oh, did you even look? Did you show them?
We put it in.
We didn't look at it.
80%, baby! Oh, baby! Oh, baby! Wow.
Thanks. Note to self, buy an extra one of those, put it in the toolkit.
Yeah. Blast off, baby. So happy that is finally fixed. That makes me so happy to hear. Diagnosing what is wrong with your car is a pretty lengthy process because there's so many different options of what could be going wrong. But I will say, fixing it and that achievement of fixing it is such a good feeling. So incredibly stoked that now that is working. Definitely gonna order a second one of these to keep in the tool bag for any future problems that we may have with it. So pumped that it's working. So Mickey's gonna go ahead and show us how to use this tire machine. He worked at a tire change shop when he was like, I think in his early 20s. So he said he's pretty familiar with all this. So he's gonna give me and Cal the rundown on how to change out our own tires. We were literally getting ready to go to drop off some wheels to get tires changed on them because we didn't think this was fully set up yet. And then we just realized that we had the fitting for the air hose that was necessary. We literally had the whole entire truck ready to go, but Mickey's like, come on, baby, I can show you guys how to use it.
Grab your wheel and tire.
Grab a wheel and tire, yes, Dad. Wait, we need to demount first.
Yeah, so that's what I said. Grab a wheel and tire. Let's do this. Okay, so now it's time for you to pull it back out. Now flip it around. You go to the back. Go ahead, Peach. Hold it down until it pops. Okay. These ones are gonna be tough because the seating area is pretty wide. So you haven't unseated them all the way. And a lot of times when you're doing this, you're gonna pop this one back on by accident. So for these drift wheels, this is fine. So what we're doing is we're actually using the cleats on this machine to grab the wheel. It's gonna leave a bunch of pit marks on the inside of your wheel. For a drift wheel, it's fine. Now if you're trying to mount some HREs and some Volks or something, we're definitely gonna wanna use the rim clamp, which is this, where you go around the actual outside of the rim.
Okay.
For this, all the drift teams at the track and everything, they actually use this method. So it grabs the wheel, right?
Yeah, it's fucking grabbed.
Okay, so you wanna rotate this to the biggest opening, which is here. By the way, you never wanna stick your fingers in here because that can pop up and snap your fingers.
So we're gonna stick it in there.
We're gonna go to here, I think.
Whoa. So it's gonna pop that side up?
Yeah, that'll be loud.
Like,
No, it's not loud.
like loud or like?
No, it'll be loud.
Oh my. We're leaving the shop a little bit earlier today because I actually got that Jay-Z fixed sooner than I thought I would. And it's too nice of weather right now not to go in the pool. For those that have been watching for a while of this channel, this radar is still falling off when it gets hot. I've done like every remedy in the book to try and get this thing to stay up and it never does. This is how I like to spend my Tuesday afternoons. Is it Tuesday?
It's Thursday.
Thursday afternoons.
It's not even on you.
It's on you right
Get
now.
it off, get it off, get it off, get it off.
Look at it.
Get it off, get it off, get it off.
Oh shit, it's on her neck.
Get it off! You made me break off. Oh.
Tonight, we ride.
Tonight we ride.
Tonight we ride, Calvin. Everyone right now is headed to my fortress. Ev Bex is on his way, Jumba's on his way, and then if you want to come here, or you can meet us on the road, that's up to you.
No, I'll come there.
We're going to a car meet tonight at my old college. Going to a car meet is something we really don't do that much anymore. And I don't really know why. That's kind of where a lot of our passion started, was going to these car meets. So we got me in the BRZ, Calvin's in his 240, Evan's in his E36, and Kevin is in his BMW, and we're meeting up with some more people along the way to have just like a good night at a car meet. And it's been such a long time, so I'm like pretty hyped on going. And I feel like I say that every time, but that's a good thing, I think. Those that have been watching the channel for a couple years will remember this bridge. This is right outside the university I used to go to like every single day. And it's like the perfect, oh, that's a cop right there. Okay, I'm not gonna do it. Wait, no, it's not. Yes, it is, just kidding. It's like the perfect bridge to like fly through or like rev because it's so small and compact, it gets so loud. So this lot, it's like a small little meet for the school. And Zach and Noah trailered their track cars here and then took them off the trailer and literally drove them to the meet. Literally unregistered cars. Zach and Noah, I love you, but this is one of the craziest things you have ever done.
Is it fake carbon? It's fake carbon.
It's gotta be fake.
It's a Honda.
It's gotta be fake. You just triggered so many people.
I know. I had a Honda those.
I was gonna say, you're allowed to. People talk shit at me when I talk shit about Hondas, but I'm like, I own a Honda, shut up.
Yeah. Oh, dude, it's dry carbon.
This is pretty nice. Dustin has got this Type R literally today, and he brought it to this meet.
You drove it off the lot in Irvine and drove it straight here.
R mode?
Pretty good. Mickey's car getting some Honda love out here. He's loving it. Mickey's loving it.
Is this check this out. Check the Authentic Sports Authority bottle.
Noah's battery is dead, so we are going to push this and get it started. All right. You gotta push it. There he goes. I don't know why they thought it was a good idea to bring their track cars to this event, but I kind of like it. All right, Dustin, how do you rate today's meet?
It's a solid 6 out of 10.
I rate it like a 5.
Why?
Well, we're in dirt.
Let me take you around here.
Oh, we got the Dustin tour. Oh, don't show us this.
Don't scratch it.
Hey,
You just scratched it already.
You just.
this is my vlog, all right? We got the nice Type R. We got the SIRS. We got the Porsche. We got the Miata.
I don't think I've ever met you, but I know you.
We got the E90.
That's not an E90. E36. E46. Wait, no, E36. E36.
Crowd goes wild.
We got the 80s, the BRZ.
Best of show. Best of show.
We got the 392. We have the R Spec 240. And we got
And that's it. That's all we got.
That's all we got.
And
that's the whole crew.
And that's it. For those who think Danny Courtney is dead, he's not. He's still alive.
He's a doctor.
He's just a doc.
Actually trying to be.
He's a doctor.
We're super hungry, so we're stopping here for dinner. And then there's actually the university parking garage that we used to park in every single day is a really nice parking garage. So I think we're gonna go there after this, try and get some pictures, do some hood rat stuff, and then probably call it a night. Welcome back to the old stomping grounds. And no, this is not the garage that we used to film at all the time. This is my university garage. A lot of people always thought this was where like I did my outros and filmed my own videos, which is not the case.
Yeah! Honda, baby.
Shout out to the campus police not fucking with us. They used to fuck with me a lot. But apparently today they don't want to. I'll take that. Rick's car is toast. Is your battery dead? Yeah. Do you need a jumper? You got it.
Dude, what if you lost? What if that thing doesn't work?
It's actually really cold out still, and I can't stand it anymore. So we are going to get ready to go home. My arms are freezing.
Maybe you didn't wear this fucking half.
What?
Was that a t-shirt?
It's summer, kind of, so best of both worlds.
It is.
It's summer, but I underestimated. All right, let's go home, boys. I've been thinking about this a lot the past couple days, but I think on Saturday, or fuck, maybe even tomorrow, I'm not even sure. I think I'm gonna go get the truck. The X5 has been in the shop for the past week and a half, and it's like a long story, but with the extended warranty that I had that was third party, they like tried to tell me they weren't gonna cover some things on the car, but like now they are gonna cover some things on the car. Long story short, I'm not gonna have the X5 back for probably like another like 2 weeks. And the truck is gonna be the replacement for the X5. I think that I've decided that I'm gonna go with a... And I'm feeling